Fascinating.
What are you doing?
Last if we break formation, I won't know where I need to go.
Splash out poverty, splash on orange. 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 Come splash us with orange, help us get hypothermia, and learn about a good cause. Come on guys, you can help us get hypothermia.
Splash me! I'm an exclamation mark!
Hey guys, come on, come be orange. Learn about the EWB campaign and how you can help poverty in third world countries. Hey Charlotte, just get the ball rolling here. Get her! Someone just get the ball rolling, that deal might come. No one wants to be the mean person who does it first. You're so gonna regret this. Oh yeah! People are watching through the window.
For water. You've got to pledge to be more socially conscious in some specific way, and then you get to go nuts.
You guys want to splash?